So, hello, my friends. It is 9/7, and we are looking at everybody's famous moon. He looks rather normal tonight through the viewfinder. I don't see it too bouncing. The only odd thing about it is that little orb thing dancing around in front of it. You guys see that? Yeah, that's just one of the things that we see over here at Vasilius's YouTube channel. You know, we get a little bit of everything. That's a government. Oh no, that's not government drone. That's a UFO down at the 5 o'clock from the moon. Look down, you'll see what I'm talking about. And you gotta, the orb is kind of far away from the moon today. It looks like it's about ready to take a swim in the lake. You see it bouncing around? I've yet to even come close to figure out what that is. Well, I really haven't figured out what any of this stuff is, but it's all in seriousness. This shit is pretty serious, man. I don't know what to make of it other than to bring it to everybody's attention, because Lord knows the government's not going to. Let's see, we got another guy right up here, and he's in invisible road right now, so we'll come back to him. We got another one right here. You see him? See him? Right smack in the middle of the screen. I think that's Junior, right above my head. I'm not sure about this guy, the alien that's at 7 o'clock to the moon. That's like hovering just off the water. I don't know if that's an alien or a UFO plant by the government, because it's different colors than all the UFOs. See how it's like orange? All the UFOs, like this guy right here, he's like nice and a good bright white. You see that? I haven't zoomed in yet. And this guy's kind of got like a little orange tint to him. He usually has one that hangs out with him. I don't see him here tonight. So I'm thinking he's a different one. But you see how white this guy is? This guy's new on the scene, and he's kind of more orange. So, whatever. I think the government's trying to throw me off. I don't know why. I don't really care. I just see, look at the orb now. See that orb jumping around? Guys, I did not sign up for this. And look, the alien's at the 11 o'clock of the moon. Check that out. And look at that stuff around the moon. Doesn't the moon look like it has claws? What's going on with that? Look at that shit. What's going on with the moon, man? I've yet to see this kind of behavior before. It's like it has claws or something, doesn't it? Oh my god. So I was watching this really cool YouTube channel. I like it. I like the information he's putting out. I'm a skeptic too after everything I've seen recently. But I'm not a big conspiracy guy. I don't think this guy is either, but he put out some pretty good information about the moon. Basically said that we don't know how it got here. We basically don't know how the moon got here. None of the science has been proven for any of the theories. There's like 4 theories. We could have got sucked into our gravity pool. That's one. They're all like really far from being provable, or none of them have been proven. So I'm not going to get into depth, but all I'm saying is that nothing has been proved about the moon. Look at that. What the fuck? Does he have like claws or something? The moon? Look at that. I guess that would be clouds, but that's kind of odd. Look at the orb. It's all over the place tonight. So let me get off that for a second. And then this is just our low hanger. He's always here every night. He's cool. Keeps to himself over there. I'm moving now. Actually, let me pause. Yeah, and I think, see that? That's the government right here. He's blinking way too much. He's strobing. And as I've been saying, I don't have a problem with the government. I do have a problem with them not alerting us to all this extraterrestrial traffic out here. I'm not so concerned about myself. I'm concerned about my elderly parents. Oh, look, the Orange Brothers are here. These guys are new to the scene, and they also have orange lights. Hence the name Orange Brothers. And this guy, I don't know, man. I don't know if that's government or not. I think they figured out how to make it look like invisible mode. I don't know, to throw me off. I don't know why the hell anybody would try to throw me off. I'm just a bum. Sitting here at my parents' house waiting until I have open heart surgery again for the second time. Yeah. Look at that orb. It's going nuts. Now, please don't forget about the alien that's off to the moon's 11 o'clock. The orb is dancing all around it. That will stay all night. It stays at the same distance from the moon the entirety of the evening. And let's see, this is my buddy Junior, I believe. He's a UFO that I've been looking at since I've been doing this. And here comes another government guy. Yeah, this one definitely government flashing. You know, and it's like, I don't know why these guys are only over my house. It's really weird. I try to go to the store and these guys follow me to the store. Not the, I mean, the UFOs do, and then the government follows the UFOs. But, you know, I mean, it would be nice if they just told my family what was going on and if we should get out of here or what. But, they don't really seem too concerned. But, you know, people see this kind of stuff. Like, look at that moon, man. It's like doesn't it maybe look like it's a head of a person and then those are two arms and legs flailing? I don't know, man. I never saw that happen before. That's a new one to me. So, that's an awful freaking, that orb actually looks kind of like, how the guy, my buddy, who likes to come down close to me when he goes into invisible mode, maybe that's him. That he looks rather blue tonight, doesn't he? So I will be back. I am freezing. Oh, did you see how the green light kind of came off? Well, blue and orange make green. Blue and yellow make green, so that makes sense. So this is a pretty crazy scene. Look at that. I got 3 of them in one shot. That's pretty cool. Come on, government. Get in it. Where are you? Where you at? I don't know. I don't care. Anyways, over and out, facilities. I'll be back in the middle of the night. Alright.